Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Face ID Anti-Cheat asstahci64 error on Windows. Fix AC blocked by asstahci64.sys driver error. In this video, seeing before like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, please subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Click on the power button. Select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Run as admin FACEIT. So go to the desktop, find that FACEIT, then application selection and right click. Click on the properties. Then go to the camera ability tab. And check for select the camera ability mode. Below check for select the run this program as administrator. Once you select the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step. Disable Windows security. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, type the Windows security. Then go to that firewall and network protection. Sorry, here come to app and browser control, click here. Then click on the reputation based protection settings. Then check apps and files. If this turn it on, just click to turn it off. Then scroll down. The potential unwanted app blocking. Then if this turn it on, just click to turn it off. Then close it. Then go to the next step. Command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, type that cmd. Just to right click on the run as administrator. Configuration as click here. Then this commands all description is there. Then copy to paste. First command for that. Verify. Give the space. Query. Then verifier. Give the space slash query. Then type no. Hit the enter. Then here show that no drivers are currently verified. Then exit. Then go to the next step for the Windows update. So what time check it. So go to the Windows search bar, type the Windows update. Then you can click on the check for the update. If there are available update, just click on to update the latest version. After that, restart your system. Then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, please subscribe to comment our YouTube channel. I give you the answer. And like and comment this video. This method working or not working, comment section, go to comment. Thanks for watching.